Guys, I really like to have Poppet, but I didn't buy it still. So that will be my next present for Poppets. So let me wait for a while if I get Poppet. 2 hours later, still didn't get Poppet, guys. I don't know when it will come. I really want Poppets. Huh? What's that? There's something fallen there. Is it a Poppet? It's a Poppet! Poppet! I finally got this Poppet. I don't know who threw it outside, but Strawberry Poppet. I got Poppet, guys. Poppet! I'm so happy that I got this Poppet. So I love Poppets. It's my Strawberry Poppet. Soon my sister is also going to get one. I think her Poppet was also lying near the door, but I don't want to take it. Ananya will only take it. I'm like so excited because I got Poppet. Literally, I'm popping right now. Poppet!